Hi guys, I'm Tiffany Elizabeth and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving my Goldendoodle Sasha a at-home spa day. I'm going to give her a bath. I am going to be switching out her bedding, just giving her a nice, fresh set, right? Yes. Before we get started, I kind of just want to show you guys the stuff that I got for her that I'm going to be using in this video. It's giving plain Jane. So the bed that she has in her blanket actually came with her. So I've just always like let her have that. Today we are going to be upgrading her, okay? We gonna upgrade her. So first I'm gonna start with this. This is a raised dog bowl set. It is a ceramic dog bowl. It's giving aesthetic, like aesthetically pleasing. It's a lot bigger than the one that she has now, so I'm really excited to let her try these out. Yes. Look how cute this is. So this is what the bowls are going to sit in. She's like, bye. I'm not here for it. All right, so that, and then we have the legs. Really cute. So let's assemble this really quickly. I'm just gonna like go ahead and just start assembling it. She's checking out her stuff right now. Hopefully this is not too gonna be too high up for her. We'll see. We'll see. This is fancy. Real fancy. Fancy. Are you fancy? Come here, honey. Hi. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's perfect. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love it. She's gonna love it. Look how, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I cannot wait. I'm gonna set everything up on camera. Let's put that to the side. And I love how it like matches the living room. Her crate is in the living room, so yeah. This little basket is her like hygiene stuff. So we have, what is that? Anyways, so we have her little brush. This is from Target. I really love this brush. I will link it in the description box below. So we're going to be using this. And then I'm also going to be washing her with this. We live close to a fire station, so there's constantly like fire trucks going by this area. But anyways, I'm going to be giving her a bath with this itch relief shampoo. It is for dogs. It is oatmeal and cucumber, and this is what it looks like. I will link this as well. I did get this off of Amazon, and it smells absolutely amazing. So yeah, we're gonna be using this today to give her a bath. I have this like baby shampoo in here that's like my backup shampoo for her, but we're not going to use that today. I am going to be using her Paw Cleaner on her today, and then after her bath and everything, I'm going to be spraying her with this deodorizer that I also got from Target, and it is grapefruit scent, hypoallergenic, and I will link everything in the description below. Also, let me show you guys what I'm going to be putting on her. This is a harness, and look how, I don't even, can this fit you, girl? Because we're a little chunky. We're a little chunky, so I don't know if this is going to fit. This right here is a harness, and it's like a little dress. Like, I got it in a size medium, so I don't know if this is going to fit her because she's a little on the chunky side. Right? You're on the chunky side. Um, but it has like this right here in the matching leash. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I can see that she already likes her little bed. This is actually a let's back up. So this is actually a dog car seat, but she already has a dog car seat that's similar to this. So I'm gonna let her use it as a bed for inside of her crate. I'm hoping that it's not gonna be too like high up, which it low key is looking like it might be. So I don't know if I'm gonna put this in her crate yet, or if I'm gonna leave it somewhere in the living room for her to be able to sit on. Because it would be nice for her to be able to sit in this and not on my couch. And then, can I have the blanket? I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, you like your bed, don't you? You like it. You like it. I'm going to put this fleece blanket in her crate as well. So, yeah, let's go ahead and just get started. Sasha, gonna eat? Are you gonna eat? Okay, let's get rid of this one. Seriously? Know if I like the fact that the bed takes up so much space in her crate. So I'm actually going to take it out and put it like maybe next to it instead. Or I'm not sure where exactly I want to put it. I think I'm going to just put it like next to the crate. Good girl. Good girl. Don't bite me.